Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to import a new template with the help of Joomla CCK library. The first step is to import the needed template. You can do it easily with just a few clicks. When the import is done, you can see all new added instances. Now you can create a new module to display selected layout on a page. Use instances which says module. Add name, position on a page and click Save. Now you can create a new menu item. Use instances which says menu. Add name, parent item and click Save. That's all. More tutorials and updates you can check on our website.